So if you're looking for a way to fix your TELUS Wi-Fi booster if it's showing a red light here, well, there are a few things that you may want to do. So first, let's go and identify what the red light actually means. So when a TELUS Wi-Fi booster displays a red light, typically it means it has or it lost connection to the main router or the primary node in the mesh setup. So what you need to do is you may want to reboot the booster and the main router first. So unplug the booster from the power outlet, wait for about like 10 seconds, then plug it back in. Then do the same for your main TELUS router, and people report that this resolves the red light issue. So a simple restart can actually, or reboot can actually help a lot. Now, also if the booster is too far from the router or there's heavy interference, it may fail to maintain the connection, which and shows the red light here. So in this case, what you could do is you could basically move it closer until the light turns blue. And also, you may want to check the wiring here for wired boosters. Now, if your setup uses wired mesh, Ethernet, or MOCA coax, ensure that the cable is firmly connected and the appropriate adapter is active. Now, loose or disconnect wiring often leads to this red light. Now, if the red light persists after previous steps, well, you may want to perform a factory reset on the booster to clear configuration issues. Now, usually you should see a factory reset button at the back of the router. So after resetting it, reset it up through the TELUS Connect or Wi-Fi app. Now, sometimes firmware or system glitches cause the red light issues, so check the TELUS app or contact support to see if your booster is running the latest software and if there are known mesh issues. Now, if your booster still shows red light after rebooting, checking range and resetting, and if verifying wiring here, it may be a hardware fault or a compatibility issue. At that point, contacting TELUS tech support is the best next step here. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.